Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to withdraw crypto from Revolut. Righto, ladies and gentlemen, let's jump straight in. So jump into the Revolut app and tap on crypto from the bottom navigation bar. Browse your holdings and select the specific cryptocurrency that you wish to withdraw. Tap on the three dots, which will be the more options in the top corner, and choose send. This opens the transfer interface where you'll configure your withdrawal. Add a new external wallet address by pasting it manually or scanning a QR code. Just make sure that every character is correct. Accuracy is critical for a successful transfer, otherwise you will lose your funds. Enter the exact amount of cryptocurrency you want to withdraw and tap send. The app will now calculate the total, including any fees. Carefully examine all of the details on the confirmation screen. You'll see both the blockchain network fee and also Revolut's small service fee displayed clearly. Once you are happy with everything, once everything's verified, confirm the transaction. And remember that withdrawals are on-chain and irreversible. This means that you cannot undo any of these transactions. So make sure that you're doing it correctly from the get-go.